Take a look at Dayton, Ohio as the sun rises. People waking up to scenes like this.
So much devastation there. Homes, apartment buildings, businesses and schools destroyed. The Midwest hit so hard overnight. Dayton, one of the largest cities in Ohio, was struck by back-to-back twisters.
And so right now, rescue crews are going door to door trying to save people who may be trapped as millions wake up without power this morning. And when you look at those images, it's not hard to see why some people are comparing the damage to a war zone. That's what it looks like.
So much devastation there right now. More than 50 tornadoes reported across 8 states in the last 24 hours. ABC's Alex Perez starts us off from Pendleton, Indiana. Good morning, Alex.
Hey, good morning, George. A lot of people are just now waking up to assess the damage. Take a look at the power of this storm, ripping this massive tree right from its roots and slamming it into this home. There are actually pieces of the home underneath all of this. This storm moved in very quickly, leaving a path of destruction.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away.
So yeah, I'm about to put this all together and then show y'all what it looked like wrapped up and let y'all see me eat it.
Always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. I know, 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 I know.
Today is 420, right? Yeah. And I would like 420 to be like our anniversary. You feel me? So today, I wanted to ask you, would you be my girlfriend?
Of course, baby.
Alright, so that's fair enough. I kind of figured she'd say yes, right? And what that is right there is the key to the house. So you officially got your own key. And you officially moved in. And you officially my girlfriend.
This is so sweet. You really thought about this?
Mm-hmm.
That's so sweet. Come here.
So 420. It's our anniversary. You happy?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, QingAiry with the Q.
Nothing but fucking fun.
No arguing, no nothing. Think of the outfits though for the Valentine's Day. She helped me pick out mine. I helped her pick out hers.
Think that I love you.
That's it. That's all for the prank.
Cause you got a hanging on your neck. It's for the prank. I don't give a fuck about a prank.
Hashtag Team Airy down below, cause she about to take this L right here. Why you looking at me like that?
You a motherfucking lying.
Why you looking at me?
You not about to win this shit.
All right. So what are we, about 4 or 5 miles north of downtown Dayton?
Ooh, girl, them is cute. What are those?
Thank you, baby. These are shade. See, they shade.
Shade? What's that?
Spring or summer. Any style, any shape, any size you need. We got the pearls, the diamonds, baby. What you want them for? Any given day. Told you we got every color.
Green?
Green.
I ain't never seen those.
Yellow. Every color you want. We ain't gonna get started on these styles, baby. You don't like them circles? We got these ones for you. Oh, you don't like circles? It's okay. Follow me. We got the blue. We got the pink. We got the red. We got it with silver and rose gold. We got all the colors you need. Every shape, every size, every other occasion.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy. All this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy. Yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy.
Anything you like, my baby. Any type, anywhere. Summer, spring, baby. I'm here for everything you need. Shade.